G20 Summit, a catalyst for India's global image and economic growth. In this episode, we dive into the significance of the G20 Summit for India and explore how it enhances the country's global image and contributes to its economic growth. It's an annual international forum where leaders from the world's major economies gather to discuss and address crucial global economic challenges. The forum consists of 19 individual countries, including India and the European Union. India's G20 presidency is a watershed moment, with the country helping shape a number of global issues. It addressed the concerns of the Global South. The major intention of the G20 is to provide joint efforts to ensure financial stability and economic growth and development, especially in developing and industrialized regions. It emphasized assessing the macroeconomic policies that influence the global economy. Joint efforts will be made to reduce harmful methane emissions and mitigate global warming. 1. India, as a host of the G20 presidency, will organize 200 meetings across 32 places in various locations. 2. The G20 theme, One Earth, One Family, One Future, or Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, reflects India's vision to create a world where there is unity and equality. 3. India will actively work towards building international agreements and reforming multilateral organizations like the UN, contributing to a new world. Its inclusion in this prestigious gathering offers a platform for India's voice to be heard on global economic policies and international issues. The G20 Summit provides India with an excellent opportunity to enhance its global image. As the world's largest democracy and a growing economic power, India showcases its cultural richness, technological advancements, space advancement, and commitment to inclusive growth to the international community. This participation opens avenues for Indian businesses to engage in strategic partnerships, ultimately benefiting the Indian economy. Let's have a look at some astounding facts and figures regarding India's involvement in the G20 Summit. India's economy is one of the world's largest, with a GDP of over $2.7 trillion. India has consistently been one of the fastest-growing major economies, with an average growth rate of 7% per year. The G20 countries collectively represent around 80% of global GDP and 75% of global trade. As an active participant in the G20, India showcases its commitment to sustainable development and poverty eradication initiatives. India actively engages in discussions related to ensuring financial stability, combating corruption, and promoting green development at the G20 Summit. To summarize, the G20 Summit plays a pivotal role in shaping global economic policies and facilitating international cooperation. For India, it holds immense significance in terms of enhancing its global image, expanding economic opportunities, and contributing to global initiatives. Through active participation, India solidifies its position among major economies, benefiting both its own growth and the world as a whole. Thanks for watching.